If Huggy ain't filming, it ain't filmed right.
Already won, yeah. Looking at what I become. They really be down on me, afraid of what I'ma become. Been through the fire, yeah, and I don't weather the storm, yeah. They get a little crazy in here. I promise this ain't what you want. One thing about it, niggas be talking that talk when I come around, then they be silent, like an asylum. Trapped in my thoughts, and I'm just trying to figure.
Everybody, welcome back to the channel, man. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it so much. On today's video, we're doing something a little different. We're in a different situation. We at my boy Jerry's shop, man. He finally got him a shop, and I'm so proud of him. We're inside, not on the ground. Talk to him, Jerry. How you feel about your shop?
Man, it's good, man. Finally got something that's got a roof over it. It's just still hot, though. We're still trying to work it out.
Hey, look here, though. If it's raining, at least we could get something done, though.
This is the first thing ever done in here, so we look, breaking it in.
Hey, look here. So,
like a virgin.
So on today's videos, we're doing something simple, man. We're going to be switching out our license plate lights, okay? So, as you know, I have last fit license plate lights, and they're pretty bright. They really are. But we're switching out for Boost Auto. The whole trunk really is made out of Boost Auto. We have the door handles, we have the running boards, we have the tow mirrors. So we're going to switch out the license plate lights and put in some Boost Auto. Interior too. So we're going to switch to Boost Auto license plate lights and see how bright they really are. So tap into the video. Like I said, thanks for watching, and let's get this thing moving. So as you can see, we have to unscrew this right here. They got two on both sides that we have to unscrew, and then we can just put the other one in there, and it's very simple actually. Unscrew both of those. What would you call those? Brackets, I guess.
That's right.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Call it a bracket, and then it comes with its own bracket, and we just have to plug in the light, and then we have to plug in the light, and then we can get it done. So it won't be very long. It's a very simple process. So yeah, just enjoy the video. Enjoy what we about to do. We about to struggle a little bit. My hands about to struggle anyway.
What we can do? Take this off.
Figure out how to get out it. It can get crazy. Body for body, we on the street like we in Gaza. Life is amazing. For dollar, I buy pizza all of my problems. Got out the hood, yeah. These niggas entitled, these bitches, they wanna be wifey. So when I make it, just stay where you stay, cause I promise these niggas, they ain't nothing like me. Feel like a boo, yeah. Bullying niggas, cause I be the go to this shit. Seen it in blue, red. When I come around, they be acting all.
There you go.
Alright guys, so as you can see right here, this is the new and improved. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the new and improved. It has Boost Auto on it. Yeah, it's just, I see it's like what, like 16 LED, small LED lights in there. So it should be bright, man. We're gonna see what it's hitting on. Here we go.
So it doesn't matter which way you put it.
I don't think so.
So it's not directional as far as like positive, negative.
It's
so
not.
Yeah, so as long as you put it in there, it just pushes in. So it don't matter. Just shove it in, get in where you fit in.
Holy shit, see me in public, stay on my hip and they tryna pay me like a thug. When I was a kid, they kept on being on me, but I swept it all under the rug. If you been used, you been abused. Turn it up a notch and don't get confused. Not to be rude, I slap this shit out your mama, cause I know what she did to you. Keeping it real, yeah, cause I'm a realist. Living this life, it don't matter to me, I'ma do what I do, yeah. Stay true to you, yeah. Do what you do, yeah. Living this life, it don't matter to me, I don't care what you do, yeah. It's like, everybody got a story, man, like, you just gotta find yourself and be.
I think you. Oh, your lights like that, bro. Is that light up top is kind of shining bright on it?
Yeah.
To tell it, everything coming out of my mouth, true. All I know is stay true to self. Already won, yeah. Looking at what I become. They really be down on me, afraid of what I'ma become. Been through the fire, yeah, and I don't weather the storm, yeah. They get a little crazy in here. I promise this ain't what you want. When I get up, we gon' be up, and I promise it's stuck. Came from the bottom, I ain't had no guidance. I made it this far, and I did it myself. I took a loss, made me a boss. You a discretion, come see for yourself. I'm a dog, I want it all. Keep me intact, black and white like a rat. is a maze. I just be finding my way. I was just locked in a cage.
All right, guys, so we already got them installed just like that. It was very simple. Here goes the product. Let's see what it's hitting on. Yeah, they bright now. Good and bright.
Yeah, they bright.
Yeah, they bright. They bright. They look real good too. So as you can see, this is the light. It was a very simple install. We're about to do the same thing to my buddy Jerry. I don't know where he went. About to do the same thing to his truck. Want to give a big shout out to Boost Auto. But yeah, that's the lights, man. And they are bright. Jesus. All right, guys. Now we are under Jerry's truck, and his is a little bit more different. I have aftermarket exhaust. He still has stock exhaust. I won't be able to put my hand in there because, yeah, I just can't fit my hand in there. So you might have to do both sides. But just enjoy Jerry doing this right now.
Maintain, boy, you gon' go out insane. Crash, I might blow out your brain. $500,000, I'm a man, yeah. Thank God for the day, yeah. Somebody worse than you, they can be hurting you, they can be murking you. Thank God for grace. A deal, find a way. Got a meal from the grave. If I could make a way, bring them back for a day. But I can't bring them back. And they all memories. Every day feeling pain. Lost it all just a game. 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 Staying on 10 and I keep 10 in. They keep on saying that I'm on next. Hard to believe, but I know that I can. I ain't here to make no friends. I ain't got no interest. Y'all just can't stay up my mentions. Ain't here to make no amends. It just is what it is. Still gotta stand on business. I'm on the road and I feel alone. Got in my mind that I'm doing it wrong. Checking up on me, they wanna be nosy. I just wanna tell them to leave me alone. Got on my ass, yeah. Got in my bag, yeah. Hate being broke. Got on my feelings, I hate being sensitive. Gotta be mindful of what's going on. Ain't my intentions, I know my regrets. You can come out and make it seem like I'm insensitive. It ain't my intentions, I'm just trying to hit from the things. And it's like that, I feel like I'm missing. I know who I am and I know that I can. Walk in my shoes, you don't know where I've been. It really don't matter, you know that I know what I'm doing. I'm doing the best that I can. Yeah, 10 by 10. Staying on 10 and I keep 10 in. They keep on saying that I'm on next. Hard to believe, but I know that I can. I ain't here to make no friends. I ain't got no interest. Y'all just can't stay up my mentions. Ain't here to make no amends. It just is what it is. Still gotta stand on business. Don't hate the players, you just hate the game. Don't do this for money, don't do this for fame. I got me a bag and I watch them all change. I'm still trying to cope with my pain.
What's up, guys? Jerry over here, aka Wickerbuilt. Want to give a huge shout out to Boost Auto for hooking me up with these super bright tag lights. Also my boy Albert Huggins for coming in clutch and getting it for me also. But yeah, these things are so bright, bro. Like it's amazing. Also,
bye, have a beautiful time.